I assigned several videos about shortcuts in the beginning of this series of tutorial. The reason I done that to make sure we are all in the same page, and I want to mention the shortcuts are important for several reasons. First of all, they are huge amount time saving. It is much faster instead of going to File, Options, going to the Customize ribbon, click on the developer, OK, and then go to developer and run the macro here, just simply pressing Alt or Option F8, right? It is much faster. Also, it won't distract you. When you are trying to do something, instead of selecting and going there and find the command and take your time and distract from subject, simply you could use the shortcut. Instead of selecting my text, go back my home and bold, it is very simple to just press Ctrl or Command B. Also, you might couldn't find any commands in the new user interface or UI, but usually the shortcuts are not changed, more like user interface. We have many types of shortcuts for navigation. If you press Alt or Option key from your keyboard, as you see, we have some highlighted. For example, I want to go to Insert tab. After pressing Alt or Option, you will see the N, it is for Insert tab. So then I could press N to navigate Insert tab. Let's say I want to go to the picture. I could press P to enable pictures. But some shortcuts here is more than one letter. How can I access that? Simply type fast instead of typing S or H, type fast SH. You see? And now I could select it. And note that if you remember the shortcuts you could fast using, instead of pressing Alt then N, I could hold on the Alt N. You see, these are different with Control, Shift Control or so. And SH. And it is not going to subcategory, so I couldn't press Alt SH. Check it here, Alt SH, it is totally different. I think that's enough about shortcuts for now. In the future videos, if I reached any sections or subjects which was necessary to use shortcuts, I will mention that. For example, on the Insert and Smart Art, let's say hierarchy again, we have many shortcuts here to manage and do faster for navigating, sub-navigating, controlling, or resizing, rotating, or so. These are much faster instead of going to manually or finding the commands here. And the future videos, I will start from very beginning home tab and going deeper inside of sections, because I want to cover many tools and features and tips, but in many cases we might need refer back, jump other sections. But I focus to start one by one based on the categories and useful tips.